Welcome to Bob's Balance Sheet Adventure, a fun and engaging story designed to help you understand net worth and balance sheets. Presented by Easy Peasy Accounting, let's dive into the world of finance with Bob. Join Bob as he explores the vibrant and colorful world of accounting. From bustling shops to the essential tools of the trade, Bob's journey is filled with excitement and learning. Bob, along with his quirky friends, is ready to tackle the mysteries of net worth and balance sheets. With calculators, piggy banks, and a dash of fun, they're set to make accounting an adventure. Our story continues with a deeper dive into balance sheets. Bob's friend, equipped with charts and graphs, will help us understand how assets and liabilities come together to form a balance sheet. Let's take a look at Bob's assets. He has $500 in cash from his piggy bank, a cozy cottage worth $100,000, and a bright yellow car named Bumblebee valued at $5,000. These assets are the building blocks of his net worth. Now, let's examine Bob's liabilities. He has a mortgage of $50,000 for his gnome-filled garden and a car loan of $2,000 for Bumblebee. These liabilities will be subtracted from his assets to determine his net worth. To calculate Bob's net worth, we subtract his total liabilities from his total assets. With assets totaling $105,500 and liabilities amounting to $52,000, Bob's net worth is $53,500. This is his financial position. Assets are what you own, and liabilities are what you owe. For example, if you buy a car for $5,000 using $3,000 of your own money and borrowed $2,000, the car is an asset, and the loan is a liability. This concept is crucial for creating a balance sheet. On a balance sheet, assets are listed on the left side, while liabilities and owner equity are on the right side. The equation assets equals liabilities plus owner equity helps us understand the relationship between these components. Bob's adventure through the world of balance sheets has been a whirlwind of papers and calculations. Despite the chaos, he's learned valuable lessons about managing his finances and understanding his net worth. And that's how Bob learned about balance sheets and net worth, with a little bit of humor and a lot of knowns. We hope you enjoyed the story. A practice file is provided in the following video to help you prepare your own balance sheet.